Canon has finally announced the most anticipated EOS R5 mirrorless camera, which can shoot 45 megapixel still photos. The EOS R5 has got a 35mm full frame sensor, and most interestingly, the Canon EOS R5 can shoot 8K raw videos using the entire full frame sensor. This is the first Canon camera which can shoot 8K videos. That is massive. Canon EOS R5 can shoot 8K raw videos in 12 bits up to 30 frames per second. EOS R5 can also shoot 8K videos in H.265 at 10 bits at 4:2 color space. The EOS R5 can also shoot 8K videos in H.264 in 8 bits in 420 color space. Apart from the 8K videos, the EOS R5 can also record in 4K up to 120 frames per second. That's a very nice slow motion. Canon has also given the ability to record externally up to 4K 60p in DCI 4K as well as USD 4K at 422 color space in 10 bits. However, there is a recording limit of 29 minutes 59 seconds. So somehow one needs to get around it by stopping and starting briefly. One major challenge, of course, in recording 8K video is that 64 GB card will be over in 3 minutes if you are shooting 8K videos. That is huge. The Canon R5 is very interesting because it is also a very compact camera. One can just carry it in coat pocket and then pull it out and shoot 8K videos. However, the compact nature of the EOS R5 is also its weakness. When you're shooting 8K, a lot of heat is generated. Unfortunately, due to the compact nature of the EOS R5, heat is not dissipated well. At 23 degrees centigrade, the EOS R5 can shoot 8K videos for 20 minutes. If the ambient temperature goes up, then this recording time will go down. Unfortunately, in India, we set our AC at 24 degrees centigrade. Our outside temperature, most of the times it is more than 40 or 45. So it becomes very difficult to operate this camera in the prevailing ambient conditions in India in most of the times, except for perhaps winter. That is going to be a bit difficult for a lot of people. In a lot of applications, it would be really difficult to shoot if the camera shuts down because of high ambient temperature. Full frame sensor gives a unique look to the film. So many people will go to great extents to somehow circumvent the heating issue and use this camera to shoot 8K full frame videos as well as 4K 120p. Maybe you can get some cooling gels and cool the camera and then shoot it. The EOS R5 is priced at $3,900 in US. So some people can easily buy 2 or 3 bodies and then alternate between those. For people like me who shoots wildlife as well as documentaries, I can just pull out the camera and shoot a minute or 2 and then switch it off. However, for interviews as well as live events, this camera is just not going to fly. The EOS R5 is not the camera to shoot 8K videos continuously. But definitely the EOS R5 has got its own unique applications as far as shooting 8K videos is concerned. So a lot of people can creatively circumvent the challenges. Nevertheless, the Canon EOS R5 promises to be a revolutionary camera. As far as the still photography mode of the EOS R5 is concerned, it is a really solid performing camera. The EOS R5 can shoot at 12 frames per second in the highest resolution of 45 megapixels using the mechanical shutter mode. And if you want to use the electronic shutter mode, then the EOS R5 can shoot at 20 frames per second using the highest resolution of 45 megapixels. That is massive. I don't spray and pray that my images come good. However, when you are shooting, say, track and field, you can set your cameras to 20 frames per second and then hope that this camera is able to capture some very unique compositions and shots. That can be a real blessing for this camera. The 45 megapixel stills will also find applications as far as printing big hoardings, etc. is concerned. Lot of ad shoots can also be done, especially using the full frame. The EOS R5 has got 5-axis inbuilt stabilization, up to 8 stops of image stabilization effectiveness. So one can easily do hand holding. So you can use RF lenses as well as EF lenses with adapters which has got image stabilization and get the benefit of 8 stops of image stabilization. When you're shooting high resolutions like 8K, critical focus is a very important aspect, and Canon has said that the EOS R5 comes with dual pixel autofocus version 2. This dual pixel autofocus version 2 has got 1053 autofocus zones, and it is able to focus on the eyes, it's able to detect the face, it is able to detect the head of animals as well as birds. The EOS R5 has got a Digic X processor, that the EOS R5 has got ISO 100 to ISO 51200 base ISOs. It is expandable up to 1,02,400. The EOS R5 has a USB Type-C USB 3.1 mode. It has a micro HDMI. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a full-fledged HDMI. So that's a big challenge because you are going to be afraid that it will snap off. The EOS R5 has got dual card slots. Since Canon is targeting both the professionals as well as amateurs and the professional videographers as well as photographers, it has given a SD card slot as well as one CF Express card slot. I would have been happy if Canon would have given 2 CF Express card slots so that I could have shot videos in one and backups in the other. The Canon EOS R5 promises a lot of things. It appears really exceptional. Unfortunately, because of the heating issue, it is going to be a big challenge for people. Nevertheless, the Canon EOS R5 promises to be a revolutionary camera. We need to try it out in the field once the lockdown is over and give the final verdict.